Johnny.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Kendall.
I'm Emma.
I'm Casey.
I'm Sarah and I'm Fabulous.
Ocean Masters!
The ocean's water evaporates into the clouds and it starts raining and slow, but as it goes up the grade, it condenses and starts raining even more, and then it goes over Santa Margarita and pours.
What is interesting about Santa Margarita is Santa Margarita has the most rain in SLO County.
This is the rain shadow effect.
Plates are pieces of the Earth's crust. When they hit each other and go up, they cause mountains.
Plates are always moving, and when they get stuck against each other and unexpectedly move, they slip and scrape against each other, and causing an earthquake.
The story begins about 140 million years ago. At that time, the western margin of California was a convergent plate boundary. A subduction zone was created when the eastward moving seafloor plate was moving under the westward moving North American continental plate. Because of this, it resulted in the accumulation or accretionary wedge of rock from both the seafloor and the continent, which became the basement rock of the coast ranges. These rocks have been identified as gabbros, basalt, pillow lava, chert, shale, serpentine, and sandstone. The subduction continued up to about 28 million years ago, at which time a plate was consumed and a new boundary was formed. The motion now became a side-by-side motion between the two plates. This new transformed boundary was named the San Andreas Fault System.
Faults are classified to according how they move. The San Andreas Fault is a transverse fault.
10 million years ago, Santa Margarita was underwater.
20 million years ago, basins were formed and began to fill with marine organisms. Over the next 10 million years, these basins were filling in and uplifted due to ongoing tectonic action. The result was a shallow, high-energy inland sea with heavy currents and crashing waves. It was given the name Santa Margarita Formation. This persisted up to about 6 million years ago, when the continued uplift resulted in dry land. Today, remnants of this ancient sea can be found in the sandy substrate and reefs of megafossils, including oysters, pecten, and barnacles.
These are shells from Santa Margarita, and these shells show evidence that a reef was here.
Over millions of years, an amazing landscape transformation has occurred. This land that was once under the sea is now shaded by majestic oaks. The land is now covered by oak woodland and oak savanna ecosystems dominated by 3 native oak species: valley oak, blue oak, and coastal live oak. To the south and west are ancient peaks identified as the Santa Lucia Mountains. The basement rock of these mountains is the Franciscan Formation that developed during the early subduction process.
The rocks you see around in Santa Margarita are very old, yet the mountains are still young and growing. The mountains rose up about 2 through 4 million years ago. These rocks are 28 through 140 million years old. There are 3 types of rocks: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Sedimentary are the most common in Santa Margarita. You can find most of these rocks in Santa Margarita.
There are 3 different types of sedimentary rocks: sandstone, limestone, and shale. Sandstone is made out of sand, shale is made out of silt, and limestone is made out of fossils. Did you know that serpentine rock is the state rock of California? The mineral peridotite gives it off its color.
Want to learn more? Watch this video to learn about rocks in the rock cycle.
Bye!